Smoking on the best, I put them haters to the test. Every motherfucking day I try to accumulate my stress. Louisiana's on the rise, niggas always getting high. Pull out my dick and the bitch, she say it's a good surprise. Smoking choke clips, sip like a fucking G. Every fucking day I'm chilling in that Mall Street. Ball head, play a maid, trying to go and get some made. Back day I used to sip some vodka up and Kool-Aid. Fucking with the British G, them niggas cannot fuck with me. Living like a luxury, bitch ass niggas disgusting me. Everybody can talk the talk, but I can walk the walk. I'm black in the dark, but I don't give a fuck. I motherfucking beat them bitch up, cause I don't give a fuck. And every fucking day of the week, a nigga like me can grab my nuts. Fuck that girl, man, I hope that bitch dies slow. If I had a fucking knife, I just slice that bitch throat. If I had some money, I put a hit on that bitch. Niggas loading clips to shoot that bitch ass life ain't worth shit. Fucking with a motherfucking Louisiana Scott nigga. Don't matter what, I'm always trying to go dang bigger. I'm a crazy motherfucker, so don't fuck with me. I can't believe in a million years that bitch would've tried to play me and discuss me. Hope that bitch died. You know I'm fucking real, look at my motherfucking eyes. You know I'm a motherfucking black ugly nigga, but don't give a fuck, had a fucking heart, and you broke it apart. So I'm the motherfucking wrong nigga to fuck with. I keep it real when I spit, man, fuck that trick. That's how it be until the day I leave this earth. Fucking with JB, you gon' get your fucking feelings hurt. That's how it be in the fucking game I'm living in. A lot of motherfuckers I thought was real, they was never my friend. Amanda, you 300-pound fucking fat ass bitch. I hope you fucking die choking on a dick. I go back to Missouri, help your motherfucking family eyes blurry. You bitch, you get buried. That's how it be in the motherfucking game I'm living in. Trying to make dividends, take your phone and say it then. Don't fuck with JB, cause I'm a motherfucking angry nigga. Got the mental health problems and motherfucking shit, I don't duck and dodge them. All the motherfucking job when it comes to me is straight G to the day I DIE. That's how it be, nigga, cause I'm real in this game. A lot of motherfuckers like me, I fucking fuck up your brain. Try to go and fuck other niggas and try to make me look bad. Bitch, I come and fuck up your ass. You're lucky y'all didn't want to go to jail. We had no family up there in Missouri. But come Louisiana, your wise motherfucking family be blurry. That's fucking real. And I put that on my grandfather's grave. Nigga know I'm trying to be player made. That's how it be in the situation. No matter what fucking life and reality I was facing. JB the Black Man. I don't give a fuck, I shoot your ass, I hit you from the back, not my motherfucking dick, I shoot you with a fucking chopper. How the motherfucking game go, I'm flying in a helicopter. Don't fuck with me if you don't want no fucking trouble. Motherfucking years to try to put my piece up in the puzzle. Love you, I thought your love was true. Oh, look what the fuck you do. You fucking played my ass, the ending was a fuck you. That's how it is, bitch, I hope you die slow. Catch counsel and die in your sleep, you asshole. This how it be, you fucking with the wrong motherfucking G. Cause I'm a real ass nigga for life in that double T. Handle you the E until they bury me. You motherfucking fucking fat bitch, you don't scare me. Fucking with the wrong dude, I'm in a bad mood with an attitude. Pay your bills and quit buying food. You fucking fat bitch, I hope your mama, hope your family, hope they die. Look at my fucking eyes, you better commit suicide. Cause I'ma go back when I have some money up and I'ma get a motherfucking gun, bitch, you better duck. Cause I don't give a fuck, I'm a crazy nigga by the brain cells. Black ass nigga with a sad story to tell. Man, I'm expressing my fitness on this fucking track. A motherfucking G that never gonna take no slack. That's how it be, cause niggas out there always try to go test me. And a bitch like you try to impress me, thinking that this shit would be cool. The way you fucking play me, bitch, you a motherfucking fool. Catch counsel, die in your sleep. Cause I don't give a fuck, bitch, you had too much to eat. Fuck your cousin, fuck your whole fucking family. You motherfucking hoes trying to come and handle me. The JB, the motherfucking Black Man, that'll say some shit that'll make you catch a heart attack. Niggas know this how it be in this fucking game. A lot of motherfucking shit, I never be the same. Cause I ain't gon' never trust a bitch no more. And any bitch look like she gon' play me, I fucking beat the fuck out that hoe. Slice her fucking throat, get some fucking brass knuckles. Fucking with me, I beat your ass with a belt buckle. Fucking with me, shit'll be a fight, be a tussle. All my fucking life with the bitches became a struggle. Fucking with that boy JB. You better watch your motherfucking back, you gon' be DIE. That's how the game work, cause I'm a motherfucking G. Tryna fuck up the industry, bitch, don't fuck with me. That's how it is. Hoes think they can try to play me, but it's gonna be some fucking drama. But that bitch gonna get hers. I hope the bitch dies. She gonna get hers. I'll fucking kill you.
Someone
I'll
who gets
kill you.
healthcare from your job?
Don't fuck with me.